Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the 2023 Honda Civic. The Civic is one of the most popular cars on the market, and for good reason. It's fun to drive, fuel efficient, comfortable, well built, and loaded with convenience and safety features. In this review, I'll be taking a closer look at the Civic's exterior, interior, performance, and features. I'll also give you my overall thoughts on the car and whether or not I think it's worth buying. The 2023 Civic has a sleek and modern design. It's not as flashy as some of its competitors, but it's still stylish and eye-catching. The front end features a large grille and swept-back headlights, while the rear end has a sporty bumper and tail lights. The Civic is available in a variety of colors, including white, black, silver, red, blue, and green. I think the white color looks particularly good on the Civic. The Civic's interior is just as impressive as its exterior. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room for both front and rear passengers. The materials used throughout the interior are high quality, and the fit and finish is excellent. The Civic comes standard with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The system is easy to use and has a variety of features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Civic is also available with an optional 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The Civic also comes standard with a rear-view camera and a variety of driver assistance features, such as lane departure warning and forward collision warning. The 2023 Civic is powered by a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 158 horsepower and 138 pounds-to-foot of torque. The engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT. The Civic is not the fastest car on the market, but it's still plenty peppy for everyday driving. The CVT transmission is smooth and responsive, and it does a good job of getting the most out of the engine's power. The Civic gets an EPA estimated 28 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. That's pretty good fuel economy for a car in this class. The 2023 Civic comes standard with a long list of features, including 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rear view camera, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, Bluetooth, USB ports, heated front seats, power windows, locks, and mirrors. The Civic is also available with a variety of optional features, such as 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, wireless charging, panoramic sunroof. The 2023 Honda Civic is an excellent car. It's fun to drive, fuel efficient, comfortable, well built, and loaded with features. If you're looking for a new car, the Civic is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching my review of the 2023 Honda Civic. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more car reviews. If you're interested in buying a 2023 Honda Civic, you can find more information on the Honda website. You can also contact your local Honda dealer to schedule a test drive.